Welcome back to another MiSys episode with Brand Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between a work order and a manufacturing order. It's a question that's asked all the time. A question that gets asked a lot is, what's the difference between a work order and a manufacturing order? And simply put, there are some similarities and there are some differences. The way that they're similar is they are both a production order, and they both consume components, and they're both based on BOMs. With that said, that's about where their similarities end. So if we go to, we're going to just go ahead and actually build the same item, which is going to be our P50, P50, our basic pencil, and I'll show you why we're creating a manufacturing order first. So we put in our job number and we put in our location number. Now here's the other things is, right now we can do a lot of customization on this particular BOM, and so we can go into material. So if we needed to add anything or take anything away, we can do any of that right here. So we're going to order 500 of these. So we're going to go ahead and save this manufacturing order. We're going to populate that right there. That's what we just did, and we're going to go ahead and close this, and you can see it's added right here. We'll add a description real quickly. Description for school. Alright, and we're going to save that. Now when we go to a work order, here's where we get into some of the differences. So here in a work order, first off, you can see that there's far fewer tabs, and so we can't customize the BOMs on this one. But what we can do though is we can actually pull, let's do this, and let's do P50. Alright, so when we created the manufacturing order, what we can do is we can actually add that manufacturing order right here. So it will populate what we need. So we can do that again. P50. Alright. Select that. And then we come down here and we select our manufacturing order that we've already created. And it populates here for the ordered and everything else that we need here. So I guess the important takeaway is that the similarities are they're both production orders, they both consume components, and they're both based on BOMs. The differences really come in is a work order is a defined BOM, it's a defined BOM, and we can put a manufacturing order inside of a work order. And for the manufacturing orders, we can customize the BOM, but it's only one specific item, and there is the ability to scrap components in a manufacturing order. Anyway, I hope this helps clarify a few things, and if any of this helped you, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what else we can do to help you. Thanks.